Hey guys, it's Paul here, and today we're looking at this RYOBI Whisper Series Hybrid 7.5 portable fan, which can be hooked up to a cord for a power that you can plug into the wall, or it can be hooked up to a battery, 18-volt battery. So a lot of the RYOBI products use the 18-volt battery, and this is one of them. And as you can see here on the back, since it's a hybrid, you can definitely hook up a power cable and hook it up to the wall, or just use a battery pack, as so. And this is a product, what it looks like up close. And so what's nice is you can maneuver different directions of where you want the airflow. It has 3 different settings: high, medium, low. And the dimensions of this product, let me show you here, is about 15 inches in height, and it's about, let's see here, 12 inches wide. If you just the fan part only, it's about 9 inches tall and 9 inches wide. And then the depth is roughly 9 inches with the battery. If you without the battery, it's about 8, to give you an idea. So now I'm going to measure how loud it is on each setting with this decibel reader or sound level meter for you. Alright, so let's take a look. So we're at about 35 decibels at nothing on, so I'm going to turn it on low. Looks like it's going up to 39 decibels. Let's go to medium. It's about 55 decibels, and let's go to high. It's about 60. Alright, so I'm going to turn it off. 31, 32 with nothing on. So I hope that helps you in deciding what to purchase. Thanks for watching.